Hi y'all, this is Erin from BoodleBox Success, and today I wanted to talk about some team building ideas for my remote team. A lot of us are still facing hybrid and remote teams, and sometimes it's hard to get everybody together to do some team building, but it's important, and we know that, and there's lots of research behind it. So today I'm going to show you how to use BrainstormBot and a couple other buddies to make that happen. So I started with BrainstormBot. I wanted 5 ideas for my team building. I talked to them about the number and age range or what I'm trying to achieve, what platform do we use, and BrainstormBot actually threw out to me some options. So 5 different opportunities, 5 things that would work for my full team of 7, any ages. And I was like, that's awesome, but now I need an agenda. So I went over here and I switched to Event Plan Bot. So you do that by clicking on the down arrow, going here, and looking for the right bot. That bot will then be added to the conversation. We call it multi-bot chat. So I asked for a virtual event session based on that information. Here's my agenda. I've now copied that and can do so right here into a Google Doc. And I needed an invitation. So I asked Write Invitation to write me an invitation about the session. They created something for me, explained it, and now all I have to do is copy that information, hop on over to my email, and paste it. Easy peasy way to plan something that might have taken me way too long. I think this one took me about 12 minutes from start to finish. I hope that's helpful. Have a great day. Cheers.